His hiccups weren't random, they were coordinates the navigators heard. Beings of static and lullabies. They ride hiccup waves between worlds. Each hiccup tore a tiny hole in the air. Adult eyes can't process the frequency. Baby eyes can. Dad patted his back, trying to stop the very thing saving them both. Something followed them home from the hospital. It hid in the mobile, waiting for silence. The hiccups summoned the wind knights, invisible, deadly. They guard babies who remember before birth. The mobile spun backward. The thing screamed. One final hiccup. Portal sealed. He smiled. First smile, not gas. Victory. The war started early for this one.